Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today I'm making up some buttermilk pumpkin pancakes. It's pumpkin season as we know, so we wanted some pancakes, so I wanted to share it with y'all. And here's what you'll be needing. Okay, now here's my flour I have, and then here I have my baking powder, my baking soda, and my salt, my spices, my brown sugar. Give it a mix. Okay, here I have my egg. Just going to beat that up a little. Room temperature egg. I have my pumpkin, my butter, vanilla, and my milk. And just mix this up. Okay, got that all mixed up. We're going to add our dry ingredients. And don't overmix. Okay, I didn't overmix it. You can see the consistency there. It's pretty thick. But just remember, the more milk you add, the thinner your pancake's going to be. So if you like it thin, add a little bit extra milk. You'll always know by that first pancake you cook up if it's going to be thick or thin. If it's too thick for you, add a little bit more milk. But we like them thick, so here we go. We're going to get some in the pan. Okay, in your hot nonstick pan, you make them whatever size you want. I'm going to go with 1/3 of a cup. And let those cook a couple of minutes on each side. Okay, now I'm pretty sure I said medium low. You want to cook this. And we'll go ahead and give this a flip. And you don't want to smash down your pancake. And all the edges, just press them in. Just like that. Where you get that pretty pancake. And you're going to lightly, just barely tap the top all the way around. That way you get brown edges all the way around. Just don't smash it, because then you won't have that fluffy texture. But we'll continue doing these pancakes and we'll plate them up. Okay, guys, there's the pancakes. They cooked about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side. As long as you're doing medium-low, you should be fine. If they're getting brown too fast, your next pancake, make sure you just turn down that fire a little bit. And please be sure to pack your flour cups accurately, because if you pack your flour cups in proper measurements, you're going to be like, this is way too thick, or something's not right. Well, you have to measure your flour correctly. Okay, so there's our pancakes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got 8 pancakes. Don't those look good, guys? Look at that. And just for presentation, we're going to pour some of this hot syrup. They can take, when we're done here, we'll just go ahead and everybody can pull a pancake off there. Put that hot syrup right over those pancakes. And then you could use that Ready Whip in the can, or you could use some heavy cream on it. And I like to put a little bit of pecans. I toasted my pecans up. But these are delicious pancakes, you guys. And I truly hope you enjoy them. And I should actually cut into one of these. Okay, like I said, they won't mind if Mama cuts into these. I'll just try to. I know I ain't going to be able to stick all this in my mouth. I want more than that. Come on now. And those toasted pecans really make it. They're so tender and moist because of that pumpkin. So if you're craving pumpkin, you guys really have to try these pancakes.
Don't tease me. Let me get a bite.
Oh,
Here.
you want a bite now, huh, Curtis?
Let me get a bite here.
You want the knife? Or?
No, I don't need no knife.
Look at that, guys. They're nice and fluffy. Look at there.
Oh, they're so good.
Ain't those delicious?
You can really taste the pumpkin.
The pumpkin and them spices in there, they just scream fall, don't they?
Oh, yeah.
But you guys enjoy, and thank you all for all of my new subscribers. You guys are always, always truly appreciated, and I truly mean that. But you guys make you up some pumpkin pancakes, buttermilk pumpkin pancakes. They sure are a hit. Until next time, we will see you guys later, and you stay blessed. Bye-bye.